and most people on a fixed income setup do qualify. Your age is the main factor in unlocking those specific benefits. So for the record, how old are you?
I'm 75!
So you're qualified for the cash assistance plans. Let me connect you with the Pure Life Services representative from Michigan.
Good day. Good afternoon. Michael here with Senior Benefit. How are you?
I'm okay! How are you? Hello? Hello?
Hello?
Hello?
Good evening. My name is William. How are you today?
I'm okay. How are you?
Glad to hear it. Our records show your property qualifies for our homeowner benefit program. Reduced costs on repairs and upgrades, starting with a free inspection. So you do own your home, right?
Yes.
We just need a few quick details to find your best options. Let me connect you with a representative.
Hi, this is Emma from the Home Renovation Department. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you for asking. I'm calling you regarding free home inspections with no cost and no obligation for roofing, windows, bathrooms. So is there anything in your home you are currently looking to replace?
Yes. Come to think of it, I have this dry well in the basement. It's made out of field stone, held together with mortar, and I like to keep women prisoner at the bottom of this dry well, and I like to yell into the dry well, it puts the lotion on its skin, or else it gets the hose again. Put the goddamn hello! Hello!
Hello.
Hello!
Oh, hi, this is Ryan. How are you?
I'm okay. How are you?
Oh, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. Well, this call is regarding your updated healthcare benefits for this year. Because you already have health insurance with Marketplace, right?
Yes, I have Blue Cross Blue Shield through the marketplace.
Oh, that's wonderful, sir. You got the Blue Cross Blue Shield plan through Marketplace. And by grace of God, how old are you?
I'm 53.
Okay.
Hello? Hello?
Hello, this is Austin. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you? So how can I abuse you? Is this the Bakri Chode call center? Hello? Hello?
So I'm calling from the State Resource Center as a follow-up about the updated access to the cash amount that you can get in the Michigan Final Expense Plan for all Michigan residents. Have you received it?
No.
No worries. I'm here to share the new state-regulated final expense plan with cash value features that can help reduce financial strain during difficult times. They're made for people on fixed or Social Security income, and most individuals on Social Security or disability qualify. Your age affects your benefits. So how old are you right now?
75.
Perfect. You're qualified for the plans. Just hold on for a second, please. Here we go.
Thanks for holding the line. My name is Daniel Smith. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you? So I heard you want to cornhole me? Hello? Hello?
Hi, this is Hannah Walker. I'm with U.S. Funeral Expenses. How are you doing today?
I'm okay.
Okay, I'm with U.S. Funeral Expenses, and based on our records, it shows that you may qualify for a state-regulated final expense insurance plan that's going to cover 100% of your funeral, burial, and cremation expense. Are you between the ages of 50 and 80 years old?
Yes.
How old are you?
75.
Have you ever been diagnosed with any major or minor health issues like high blood pressure, diabetes, dementia, or even cancer?
No.
Do you smoke or chew tobacco?
No.
So all is done here, and it's time for me to show you the information. For that, I'll get you connected with one of my supervisors, and he will provide you with all further incremental details. All right?
Okay.
Hi, thank you so much for holding on. This is Agent 4 on a recorder line. How you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you? Oh, I heard a whoosh sound. Are you
Now,
still
this call is
there?
about final expense policy, which is designed to cover 100% of your funeral and burial expenses. So let me confirm, how old are you?
I'm 75.
Okay, and if you don't mind me asking, could you help me out with the date of birth, please?
I was born a poor child, Christmas Day, year of our Lord, 1950. When I was born, Liaquat Ali Khan was Prime Minister of Pakistan, and Harry Truman was President of the United States. So that's December 25, 1950. My mother said I was a Christmas gift to the world during the early stages of the Cold War. Anyone still there? Hello? Hello?
Hello, this is Peter. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm also fine. Thanks for asking. Well, this call is about your insurance with the marketplace. I believe you currently have insurance through the marketplace. Is that right?
Yes, I have Blue Cross Blue Shield through the marketplace.
Great. Just two quick questions. What's your age, sir?
I'm 53.
53. That's great. And at the age of 53, you don't have Medicare or Medicaid or any job insurance, right?
I don't have Medicare. I don't have Medicaid. I don't have job insurance. They don't give old man Robert Grinnell anything for free.
Okay, perfect, sir. So now I'm going to connect your call to my licensed agent, which may further assist you which benefits you will qualify for. So hold the line for just a second, okay, sir?
Okay, I look forward to speaking with the licentious anus.
Okay, sir, just I'm connect your call.
All right.
Thank you so much for holding on. My name is Johi, campus on our recorded line. How are you doing today?
I'm okay. How are you? Oh, I heard a whoosh sound. Are you still there? And hello? Hello?
Please like and subscribe. Thank you.